Hello, welcome everybody. This is my first tutorial about the PHP language. In this tutorial, I'm gonna tell you about the introduction of PHP. Every person has a question: what is PHP? Why we use PHP? What is the advantages of PHP? I will give you all of the answer of the questions. Now I'm gonna tell you about what is PHP. PHP stands for the Hypertext Preprocessor language, and what is hypertext, what is preprocessors. Hypertext is a word that contain a link to a website. Are you familiar with the Facebook? Now take an example of a Facebook has a Facebook pages. Now Facebook link to the Facebook pages, this is called the hypertext. All right, now we can say that hypertext is type of link. All right, now we are talking about the preprocessor. The preprocessor is a program that performs some type of processes. Now second thing is that PHP is an open source scripting language, and it is also used for developing the dynamic web pages, and it is embedded in the hypertext markup language. Now you are familiar with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Now PHP is an open source scripting language. What do you mean by open source? We have a question about open source. Open source, something that accessible by public. This is called the open source. PHP is used for making the dynamic web pages. There are two types of pages, web pages: static web pages and dynamic web pages. What is the difference between that? Static web pages are constant, change by the users, and dynamic web pages, a page which has a database, it can easily changeable. I will show you the picture of the difference. Static web pages like a server to the client browser, and dynamic websites server to the database into the client browser. It is changeable. Static can't be changed, constant, right? In the end, I hope you enjoyed with my first tutorial about the introduction of PHP. In the second tutorial, I will teach you how to install the XAMPP local server, and how to make the first program, how to print the message in your first program, and which text editor is reasonable for us. So please don't miss my second tutorial. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Thank you.